Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about moving folder into other folder on Wix.com. So guys, if you have two folders with one website and you want to save your second folder into first folder, then how will you move your folder? So as you can see, these all are my folders, and now I am going to move my second folder into my first folder. So guys, I am going to move this project 5 folder into this project 1 folder. So I will going to click on this three dotted button. Pop-up will appear on this screen, and here you have to select move folder, and these are the suggestions where you want to move your folder. So this is the folder I've selected, and where I want to move it in my first folder. So I will click on it, and here I will move it by clicking this move here button. As you can see guys, my project 5 folder has been successfully moved into my project 1. Here you can see in this site I've created some projects or project folder. I've named this project 1, and this is my project 5. I move my project 5 into my project 1. So guys, this is how to move folder into folder on Wix.com. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.